channel. In today's video, it's about this DIY project tool that you can use it. It's a Hardell Cordless Rotary toolkit, this one. So I received in this pouch. When you open it, it gets the tools that you can make already. This is the cordless handle in a blue color. This is for sanding and grinding. And this is the screw to tighten up, and this for the drilling. This is for cutting. It's like a circle but it's heavy. And the other white one is for polishing or cleaning. So the other item materials is included here. You can choose whatever. For sanding paper material. So as you can see, this one. So overall, this product I really like it because I did try on the wood product. It goes well. You just have to be careful in doing it by your hand, and also I do it in the sink because it's kind of messy. I use the wood, and a while ago I want to use in some crystals, but I got hesitated because according to the manual it only puts some agate or jade, etc., but I don't have any agate or jade, so I did not try. I only got amethyst. So if you like this video that I done this review, feel free to comment, and if you try any other crystal on this product, like drilling on it, just let me know, because so that I can try it again. So I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you very much for supporting me.